A goal without a plan is a wish. Hi, my name is CA Jitender Patel and I am on a mission to help small and medium enterprises with hassle-free statutory compliances. Many of the new business owner and in many cases even the established business owner conduct their business operations without any desired destination. Means they conduct the business sporadically without any proper planning. The general tendency is to focus only on revenue and forget the other functions of the business like marketing, sales, human resource, etc. They don't have any system and strategy for it. In this video, I'm going to talk about five important reasons as to why we need to have a business plan. Business plan is a document which tells what needs to be done and how it needs to be done in a written and a structured manner. Let's get started as to why it is important for a business. Reason number one, it helps in identifying the business objective and means to achieve them. Reason number two, it evaluates the feasibility of the product and feasibility of new product and services in case of established business. So while writing a business plan, you think about whether this product or services will survive in the market or not, or whether it will generate enough profit or not. Reason number three, it serves for a roadmap for the launch and growth of the business. So having a business plan, it will help you in noting down what are the steps to be taken for the launch of the product, how the marketing is to be done, which target segment, target customers it need to be targeted, so on and so forth. So you have a plan about it and you work towards it. So you save a lot of a time during the launch and of course during the running of the business as well. Reason number four, it also helps in measuring the performance, what is actual and what is the standard. So you can take also the corrective actions towards it. During this process, you can also identify new product and services that you can offer into the market. Reason number five, it helps in identifying the executives and partners for your business. So based on the business plan, you will be able to identify what number of manpower required for your business, number of people required in sales, number of people required in marketing, so on and so forth. So do have a business plan for your business. Even if it is an established business, having a business plan certainly helps, and it helps in going into the right direction. This is CA Jitender Patel signing out. See you in my next video.